Alright, good afternoon mga kabayan. It is currently 2:39 in the afternoon here sa Edmonton, Alberta. Once again guys, this is Jerry Domingo, Finance Manager, part ng Philcan Car, a division of Sherwood Park Mazda. So andito po tayo ngayon, as you guys can see, we're at one of our Honda partners, no? Because I'm currently working with a client, no, the Pomoceno family, who are actually looking to get into an Odyssey, right? Pero given the certain circumstances na I have to work with, that we have to play with, right? Initially, we didn't think na it would be possible to get them into Honda Odyssey despite yung kagustuhan nga nila. Pero awan ng Diyos, nagawa natin ng paraan. As you guys know, gagawa natin ng paraan yan. Hanggang kaya kong gawa ng paraan, gagawan ko ng paraan. So we went from having zero approvals, no chances. They've even been to other dealers and sinabihan sila na hindi namin kayo matutulungan, to having first two approvals na nakuha ko. And then I settled for a third approval, which is offered me the best interest rate for their situation. So I promised them I'm gonna send you guys a video of what you guys are looking for. So as you guys know, I always tell you guys, marami akong sources ng sasakyan, whether it be the auction, private sales, dealership namin mismo, other dealers. As you guys know, hindi ako restricted kung saan ako pwedeng kumuha ng sasakyan. I can even pull vehicles like this, right? So as you guys can see here, this is actually yung service shuttle ng Wheaton Honda. And sinabi ko sa aming kaibigan dito sa Honda na I need an Odyssey na mag-fit sa ganitong klaseng approval. So we decided to pull this one out of their fleet. So, and I think, professionally and personally, I believe this is the best possible option na pwede for the Nepomuceno family. So here I am. So I'm gonna do a quick Facebook Live video for them. And of course, para rin sa mga tao na interesado who may be considering the Honda Odyssey as their next family vehicle. So let's go over the vehicle now. So as you guys can see there, very nice LED daytime running lights. Got some fog lamps over there as well. Block heater, right? Meron siya. Lighted turn signals meron din dito. You got your nice alloy rims, sturdy and very easy to clean. Meron siyang sunroof sa taas, you guys can see. Hindi siya yung panoramic, but it is a sunroof. That's nice. One of the things I like about the Honda EX is it actually has yung power sliding door. So I'll show you guys here. So, kung meron kang family, right, malaking bagay yung merong power sliding doors yung sakyan mo. So I'm just trying to get it to work. Ay, naka-on yung sakyan kaya ayaw niya mag-work. Mamaya ko na lang pakita. Anyways, let's go there sa likod ng sakyan. Ito yung kanyang backup camera right there. So let's look inside no. So let's push this one here. I think naka-child lock to kaya ayaw eh. Yan. I-unlock ko lang para mabuksan natin yung gitna niya. So, power sliding doors as you guys can see. So you got the seat configuration here. So meron siyang, first and foremost, meron siyang armrest, which is nice, right? At the same time, as you guys can see here, 3 seats here and 3 seats sa likod. So it's actually an 8-seater vehicle. So the nice thing about the Honda Odyssey, I like, is customizable to. This part here can actually come off if you just need a 7-seater, right? And you can even customize it na when you take this part off, you can slide this one over sa gitna and then magkatabi yung dalawang upuan and there's space here, right? So I can't demonstrate it right now, pero I've seen it done before and I have pictures of it, right? Just be too much time consuming. Hawak ko rin yung phone so hindi ko siya ma-demonstrate. But you do get that nice feature, right? Customizable yung kanyang second row for the seating, right? So let's go sa likod naman. So as you can see there, stow and go din yung kanyang third row seating here. So as you guys say, yung directions niya, madali lang siyang i-fold. Atakin mo lang siya, baba na siya. Right? Very easy. Kabila rin, ganun din. Oops, nahatak ng tama. Ayun. So, as you guys can see there, really, you know, one pull of a hand, fold flat mo na siya. Of course, a signature ng Honda, yung vacuum sa likod. It's a nice little blessing para sa ating mga magulang. Pag makarat ang mga anak natin, you do get that nice little vacuum in the back, right? And of course, to pull the seats up, Ganun lang din kadali. Tataas mo lang siya. May handle siya dito. Tataas mo lang to. Hatakin mo to. Yan. So nakataas na ulit yung third row seats mo. So ito naman yung kanyang space. Really good space for cargo, right? May power outlet din siya dito if ever na kailangan mo. So let's close this up again, and then we'll go here to the driver's side. So driver's side naman, you do get the nice power options, power seating here. I already started yung sasakyan kanina kasi mainit. I kept the AC on. As you guys can see there in the Pomoceno family, right? Only 9,000 kilometers, barely driven. I guess it's still classified as a brand new vehicle. Ito yung kanyang controls, yung kanyang touchscreen. It's a very nice phone, of course, right? Home screen settings, Android Auto, Google, Apple, CarPlay, meron siya, right? So hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng GPS or whatnot. Just sync yung maps mo dito. Google Maps, sync it sa Bluetooth nito, and you got it here. It's gonna show up here, right? And of course, one of the new features nung Honda Odyssey is yung kanyang customized, completely different na shifter, ika nga, right? So they now have the buttons. So instead of kakambyo mo na ganun pag van dati tsaka truck, dito na, press mo lang yung park, press mo yung reverse. Ito yung reverse button niya. I'm gonna put my foot on the brake. Press mo yung reverse. Sa inyo kanyang backup camera. Of course, neutral. And if you want to start driving, you just go and drive. Right? You also have the Econ button. So, for fuel economy, right? That's also good to have. A snow setting. Ito personally, guys, hindi ko pa nasusubukan to. I never tried a snow setting on a front-wheel drive vehicle before. So, I'm actually curious myself kung paano ito aandar. So I want to do my research on that. I want to try it out next time na may snow, right? Hopefully a long time from now. So now we're in drive mode. And for a van, meron siyang sport mode. So sport mode, you have the paddle shifters here. I guess, para sa mga tao na hindi pa na-outgrow ang kanilang mga racing days. You got the sport mode with the paddle shifters, right? Yay, I guess. Headlights and all that stuff. Really nice interface here, really nice display, color display. Same thing for the fuel gauge, temperature controls, andyan din, right? Now, another good thing that this vehicle has, it's great for families, is yung kanyang Honda safety technology, no? So you do get yung lane control, right? Lane keep assist ang tawag nila sa Honda, right? You get yung nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng cruise control, adaptive cruise control, sorry. And I believe you also get yung camera, yung side camera ng Honda. So right there. And ito signature to ng Honda noon pa lang, right? The higher trim levels have this. They have the camera mounted on the right hand side, mirror. So pag pinindot mo yung button na yan, you can see what you see over there to avoid blind spots or whatnot when you're turning or whatever, right? So a lot of nice extra safety features, right? Of course, you guys, parang sabi ko nga kayo na you do get that sunroof. Glove box is here, manuals are there. Nice middle console, good space. Charging ports, right? For all your electronic devices, yung CD drive niya is here as well. So, kumbaga, I think, right, with the exception of leather and a DVD player, which are both vanity options, from a family perspective, with a kid's perspective, this vehicle has everything that you could ask for, right? Safety, space, customizable middle row, right? Oops. I'll put it back on park. See? Nakapanibago itong setup na to. So I'm gonna put it back on park. Patayin natin yung camera sa gilid. Oh, yan. Heated seats as well for driver and passenger. And of course, with the Honda EX trim level, you do get yung built-in na remote starter here on the vehicle. So, we got the vehicle now. So, I like, one thing I'm gonna point out to you guys, I like yung white color contrasting with the brown interior. I think it looks very classy, no? It doesn't have to be leather just to be classy, right? Pero otherwise, I think it's a great vehicle to own, right? For your family, right? Kung marami ka mga anak, kung marami kayo sa mga anak ninyo, you need an 8-seater vehicle, right? You know, the Toyota Sienna, the Honda Sienna, Honda Odyssey, bulol na ako, the Honda Odyssey is a great vehicle to consider, right? So, Nepomuceno family, here you guys go. Again, you know, parang sabi ko nga kanina, we went from having no approvals, getting turned down to different dealerships, to a 2019 brand new Honda Odyssey for you and your family. So once again guys, this is Jerry Domingo, Finance Manager, part ng Philcan Car, a division of Sherwood Park Mazda. Dito tayo sa ating mga kaibigan dito sa Honda, and just showcasing the 2019 Honda Odyssey. So Nepomuceno family, congratulations. I will see you guys next week.